welcome back to my channel. I'm here again to teach you another lesson in math, and that is about the square of a binomial. These examples are a square of binomials. So we have x plus 4 squared, 7x plus 5 squared, and 4x minus 3 squared. For definition, the square of a binomial is the square of the first term plus or minus twice the product of the two terms plus the square of the last term. In short, the square of a binomial has this pattern. So, given the quantity x plus 4 squared, square of the first term, that is x squared, twice the product of the two terms, that is 2 times the first term is x and the second term is 4. So 2 times x times 4 plus the square of the second term. The second term is 4, so that is 4 times 4. So the answer is x times x is x squared plus 2 times x times 4 is 8x, and then 4 times 4 is 16. So remember that if the given is negative, the middle term is also negative. So this would be negative 8x. Okay, let us have some examples. For number 1, we have quantity 7x plus 5 squared. Okay, square the first term, which is 7x squared. And then twice the product of the first and the second term, that is 2 times 7x times 5. And then square the last term, that is 5 squared. So 7x times 7x, that would be 49x squared. Then this is positive, so plus 2 times 7 is 14 times 5, so that would be 70x, and then 5 times 5 is 25. So the final answer is 49x squared plus 70x plus 25. For number 2, we have quantity 4x minus 3 squared. So we square the first term, that is 4x squared. So since this is negative, the middle term is also negative. Then 2 times the first term, that is 4x, and then the second term is 3. And then the square of the last term, that is 3 squared. So 4x times 4x, that is 16x squared. And then 2 times 4x is 8x times 3. So that would be negative 24x, and 3 times 3, that is 9. So the final answer is 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. Next, let us have this activity. So we have quantity a plus b squared. That would be a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. So a times a, that is a squared, 2 times a times b, that is positive 2ab, and then b times b, that is b squared. Therefore, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Next, quantity m minus 10 squared. So m squared, then minus 2 times m times 10 plus 10 squared. M times m squared. 2 times m times 10, that is negative 20m, then 10 times 10 is 100. So the answer is m squared minus 20m plus 100. For number 3, we have quantity d minus 6 squared. So we have d squared minus 2 times d times 6 plus 6 squared. So d times d, that is d squared. 2 times d times 6, that is negative 12d. And then 6 times 6, that is 36. So the final answer is d squared minus 12d plus 36. Next, quantity 3x plus 4y squared. Square the first term, 3x squared, plus 2 times 3x times 4y, then plus 4y squared. So we have 3x times 3x, that is 9x squared, and then 2 times 3x is 6x times 4y is 24xy, and then 4y times 4y, that is 16y squared. So the answer is 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared. Okay, now let's have some practice exercises. By this time, you will be the one to solve the problem. And for each problem, I will give you 30 seconds. For the first problem, we have quantity 3a plus b squared. So your time starts now. Okay, let's see if you get it right. So we have 3a squared plus 2 times 3a times b plus b squared. So the answer is 9a squared plus 6ab plus b squared. Next, so we have quantity m minus 5 squared. Again, you have 30 seconds to solve this. Go. Time is up. Let's see the correct answer. So we have m squared minus 2 times m times 5 plus 5 squared. So the final answer is m squared minus 10m plus 25. Okay, let's have another problem. So for number 3, we have quantity n plus 7 squared. Again, your time starts now. 3 seconds left. Time is up. Let's see the solution. We have n squared plus 2 times n times 7 plus 7 squared. So the final answer is n squared plus 14n plus 49. Okay, next problem. So we have quantity b minus 12 squared. Go. Okay, let's see the answer. That is b squared minus 2 times b times 12 plus 12 squared. The answer is b squared minus 24b plus 144. Okay, for last problem, we have quantity 2x plus 4 squared. Again, your time starts now. Okay, let's see the answer. So we have 2x squared plus 2 times 2x times 4 plus 4 squared. So the answer is 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. Okay, hope you get all the correct answer. So that's the end of our lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, then click the notification bell for more updates. This is Mommy Beth saying, do math and you will learn it. Goodbye.